Hey guys, how's it going? We didn't get that Adam and Eve breakout that we wanted, but we got some developments in the chart that we can make some profits off of. I also want to share some of the profits that the community has made. So we got Ari, he put in, he made 25% off of our last signal, and he made 90% off of his own signal. He's one of the coaches inside of our community. We got Denost here. He's been a savage lately with his profits doing the martingale strategy that we taught in our course. He's just been going ham with tons of profits: 38%, 9%, 5%, 17%, 28%, 16%. It's just going crazy right now. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in terms of the profits so far with the community. That's awesome, guys. But yeah, I'll dive into it here and see what we can find in the charts, and maybe we can make some more gains. All right, cool. All right, so let's go into the DXY first. Let's pull this up here. So we can see that we got, the bearish formation actually broke to the downside, and right now it's retesting this uptrending level of support, flipping as resistance. So if it ends up getting rejected here, we can see it going back down below this trend line here. The technical target for this formation is the bottom of the formation, so it'll be like 105.23, which would be it'll cause a bullish move on Bitcoin if that were to occur. So just keep your eye out on this. However, if we end up breaking this uptrending level of resistance and getting back in, we'll just have a new formation adjustment. So just pay quite a bit of attention to this before you enter any of your trades. Going back, let's look at Bitcoin. So yesterday we were talking about this Adam and Eve formation and how it could potentially bring us to 27,500 if we were to get support here and break to the upside. But we got rejected, and now we're getting below this parabolic curve. But we haven't used the parabolic curve yet as resistance, so we don't have it confirmation that this curve has ended, because we can easily adjust this down below, right? But yeah, right now it's trying to maintain this level of support at this area of interest where this red line is right here. This box zone is actually relatively important to pay attention to. Okay, so if we end up breaking below this area of support right here, we could end up dropping right down to the next area of interest, which is around like 22,100 to 21,700. So you got to pay attention to this area too. So if we end up breaking down below this, it might be a short opportunity, depending on whether or not I get a formation that will assist me in, letting me know that I should be entering a short rather than just entering off of, a blind drop. I'd rather see a formation to trade off of. For example, right up here, we had this bull flag type formation here last night. But we also had some bearish divergence off of this. So that bearish divergence was right near this area of resistance, and it just gave us the momentum that was required for us to keep going down. So we ended up breaking down below. Now we're below this parabolic curve, and I see, if we don't maintain this area of consolidation as support, then we're going to get that drop that I was just talking about. But I'd wait it out, of course. Don't just enter blindly. Wait until there's like a formation to trade off of, like something like this, like some form of continuation pattern or something like that before entering in. Don't just enter a short to enter a short. So that's what I'm waiting for. I am actually personally what I'm doing is a martingale stack right now. So after a certain amount of percentage drops, I will martingale stack my way into a decent position. And then when things start to recover, I'll take some profits at those areas of resistance. So I'm going to close this here for you guys, and we'll take a look at Ethereum. So I'm going to jump over to the Ethereum chart. So you can see that we also broke this uptrending level of support right here. It was actually a relatively strong one. Like, we've been holding it for since July 12th. So it's been holding us for quite a bit, and now we're starting to break below it. We're getting this support bounce off this important level of support that once acted as resistance, and hopefully it maintains and stays as support so we can get that like a bullish formation to get us to our next area of interest. But yeah, right now we're just getting that bounce, and maybe we'll get a formation off of this. Maybe we'll see it come back up, retest this like downtrending level of resistance, and we'll start building some form of formation here that could help give us a direction of where we're going to go next. But right now it's a waiting game for this because we basically just had this pennant formation break to the downside. And once we broke this uptrend level of support, this was our last trade opportunity, and now we don't have one just yet. So we just got to wait for a new one to form itself before we enter into anything. Let's see. Yeah, SP 500, it's still fighting that resistance. It kind of got rejected here. And because of the confluence it has with Bitcoin, Bitcoin seems to be taking a hit with it as well. The total crypto market cap, it looks like it's coming down to retest this downtrend level of resistance, and hopefully when it retests, we get a strong bounce, and we'll have that relief rally that I've been waiting for. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the the Discord. We're also going to be giving away one free access to our new Trend Hunter strategy that is done really well. Basically, it flipped a $1,000 account into $88,000 in just 150 trades. So if you're interested in that, just all you got to do to get a chance to get free access to the course is just like and subscribe. That's all we ask for, and you'll get free access to that course. But yeah, guys, this is everything. If you, like I said, if you need help with anything, just reach out to me in the Discord, and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay safe.